Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn something fun. Division! Division means sharing things equally. Now we have 8 candies and 4 kids. Sharing equally, each gets 2 candies. So, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Let's try. We have 6 apples and 2 kids. We share equally. Each gets 3 apples. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Let's try this. We have 12 cookies and 3 kids. Sharing equally, each gets 4 cookies. So, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now try this. 20 apples, 4 kids. Each gets 5 apples. So, 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Now something different. 10 chocolates, 3 kids. Each gets 3 chocolates. But wait, 1 is left. So, 10 divided by 3 equals 3, remainder 1. Now we have 9 teddy bears and 3 kids. Sharing equally, each gets 3. So, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now your turn. We have 7 cookies and 2 kids. Can we share equally? No. 1 extra is left. That is called remainder. Division means sharing equally. If everything is shared, perfect. If something is left, it's called a remainder. Great job, kids. Now you know division. Keep practicing and have fun learning. See you next time.